everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be doing a elf haul. So I went to Health and I did a little shopping, just a little shopping. So I'm just gonna go through the things that I got, and there are some new palettes, and I picked up one of the palette actually. They came out with a new eyeshadow palette, and some of the stuff are actually not new on your website, but hey, they're the things that I picked up. Okay, for this video purpose, and we're gonna go through them. So the first thing is the elf volume plumping. It's a mascara. Okay, it's a plumping mascara. So all these products here I'm gonna use in my next video for makeup look, so expect that. So wait for that and watch that. Hopefully I get to it on time, but yeah. So, and then I got elf concealer brush. I love elf brushes, by the way. They always cheap. And also, apart from the things that I bought, one of my classmates did get me some elf product last year Christmas. Don't judge me, Equasia. Don't judge me. I can feel you judging me right now, but thank you, Equasia, for getting me all of my elf products, and now I can do the all together. So she did. This was one of the products she got me. So this is like it's a lip gloss. They said lip lacquer. Okay, it's a bold pink. You can see that. And then I have here a flat eyeliner brush that I did pick up. Eyeliner brush. And I cannot wait to try this out. She did get me, my friend from school, did get me this palette. It's a nude, elf nude rose gold eyeshadow palette. Very, slim palette. And it comes with a mirror. I love that. So it's like a travel package. Grab it, put it in your purse, you're on the train and the bus. I see people do this all the time. I live in New York City, guys. People do this all the time. So, do your makeup on the bus or in the train. So they're basically like nude shades, and I'll just do some of the swatches right here. I'm gonna put them right here. Uh-oh. Alright, I'm doubling on that. You can see that. Uh-oh. Let's find something else. Alright, they're really not that pigmented. Maybe because I'm dark skinned. And before you say anything, I'm not even trying to come for elf. This stuff are cheap, but I had a hard time picking out foundation and concealer for my shade, because elf, you need to do better. Okay, you cheap, and we love you because you cheap. But you need to give us some more foundation shades, some more concealer shades. Up your game a little bit, just a little bit. We wouldn't mind spending $1 more just for adding more shades. Alright, I'm trying here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's not so, I guess it's just so nudie. We'll put it that way. It's not showing. It's not. Yeah, I had to do the first one like so many times, and that's what we get. Alright, we're moving on. The next thing is this primer, makeup primer. It's a beautiful, it says elf Beautifully Bare Luminous Matte Makeup Primer with acai berry, lit from within. So let's see how that feels. I like the packaging though. I like that creamy look with the creamy white, and I'm gonna fill that. So it's white. It feels creamy. Mmm, mmm, mmm. And we'll go to, I found a clear brow and lash mascara, so you could use this for your brows and as well as your mascara. If you don't want to put like black mascara, you just want your mascara, your eyelashes to be lifted or whatever, you just apply on. Okay. Now I think this is all a line, in the same line. You know the way I said they have a Beauty Shield line? I think they have another line, the Beautiful Bear line, because look at this. The packaging look alike, right? It's creamy and it also says Beautiful Bear, Beautiful Bear. Okay, we'll move on. So this is a lightweight concealer stick in dark deep. Like I said, I had a hard time finding my shade, so I had to go with dark deep because the other colors are just looking grayish and ashy so this is e.l.f. Matte Magic Misting Set. This is the setting spray in Matte Magic. Okay, so this is the size I got. They have different sizes. They have the big bottle and stuff, but I want to try out this one first before. I want to try out this one first before I get the big one, if it's good, and let's see how that sprays. I like that. It sprays the way it's misty and it's soothing. Another beautiful bear. Why did I just get me excited? So this is new, I guess. So Beautifully Bear. Another Beautifully Bear. Sheer Tint Finishing Powder in Dark Deep. Apparently I'm dark. Deep. So this is a finishing powder. I like the silvery. Let's see. Oh, it also comes with the little what will you call this? Okay, compact thingy, and it's a compact powder. And it comes with a mirror. I love their mirrors. It's so clear and beautiful. See what else do we have here, and of course we have a brow pencil in deep brown. I got deep brown. I love e.l.f. brow pencil, by the way. I love my brow pencil from e.l.f. I use it on my client all the time, and it's cheap. I also got this cream eyeliner from e.l.f. Teal Tease. I love it. It looks nice. Now I'm praying to Baba God, Jesus, so please make sure it's pigmented. Like, please make sure the color really pop, because before you insult me, yes, they have a sample at e.l.f. and I wanted to try it. I did touch it, but it was dry. So somebody in their right mind decided to leave it open. I don't know who, don't ask me. It comes with a brush. Look at that color. Isn't it pretty? Oh, it looks so cute. Alright, I'm gonna pick it up. Oh, it's so creamy too. I'm gonna put that right here. It's creamy, it's cute, it's Teal Tease. It's the foundation. So I got the foundation in Flawless Finish Foundation in Cocoa, I believe. This is Cocoa. It's an oil-free foundation. And like I said earlier, I had a hard time picking out these foundations and this stuff, but we went with this. So hopefully it matches. I like the packaging. And it comes with a pump. It comes with a pump. Don't forget, this foundation is like $4, $6, $8. I can't remember, but it's not more than $6. I don't think it's more than $6, but comes with a pump though. I'm just saying. Also got the Stardust glitter liner, eyeliner. It was calling my name. I couldn't resist. Okay. It was just absolutely beautiful. Look at the packaging, guys. Okay. It's Stardust. It's just like silvery, Christmassy. Perfect to come out. If you can see it. Last for the best for the last. Is this? Do you see that? It's the e.l.f. Opposite Attract. e.l.f. Opposite Attract. e.l.f. Opposite Attract eyeshadow palette. This is so beautiful. Oh my god. I love it. I can't wait to try it. Watch the next video and you see me try it. But let me swatch it for you guys. I'm gonna switch some colors. Just some colors. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really nice colors. Really nice colors. So I only tried few of them, but really nice colors in here. So I'm gonna be playing with it in the next video. I'll try to make a fall look with it. Alright, so that's the end of the haul. There is, why did I return it? There's nothing left in here. I broke something. One is missing. The mix to adjust e.l.f. So this is basically to adjust my foundation because we couldn't find a shade. The struggle was real. So I got the yellow undertone in golden. It says golden to adjust the foundation to my complexion. Alright, help, you can do better. Alright, see you guys later. Bye bye to the next video. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you can get notification every time I put up a video, because girl, I am back and I am better. And don't forget, Jesus loves you.
That's it.